Hey, now we all done heard about Old Bay wings, right? Hey, today I'm finna show you guys just how easy it is to make, and I know all of y'all got it, and if you don't, I got that covered too. Listen, we making Creole Kick wings. Let's get it. Okay, so look, let's go over these ingredients. You know what? I'm gonna always showcase, what I have right here. Look, this is me right here. My A and B, this is the level up series. But check this out, folks. I'm gonna slide this to the back. I am not using that today. I will be using my kosher salt, my, fresh ground pepper. Over here, what I did was, look, and I kind of like leveled it up this way. Right here, this is like a Louisiana style, ingredients to give it just a little bit of a different twist. But the real star right here, that's this right here. That's the Creole Kick. You've been following me for a minute. I don't have to say nothing else about it. This right here is what we doing. Look, you can do Old Bay against this right here, and you guys tell me what you think. Over here, I got butter. I got some other seasonings over here, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Now, I've already washed and patted dry, my wings, right? So I got them right here. Actually, this does 2 to 3 pounds. That happens to be 3. So with that being 3 pounds, you know what you got right here. Then we're gonna use about 2 or 3 tablespoons of this Creole Kick to get it going. Listen, I'm not finna over talk it. We finna get right into this. What I'm finna do right now is the first thing you gotta do is you wanna melt your butter, right? Now listen, I'm doing this for, these are like my tailgating ideas, right? And with me saying that, you guys will see, listen, we going to the stadium and we finna make it happen, folks. So let me go ahead and melt. And this is friendly because you can get yourself a small little crock pot, melt your butter at the stadium. Now that I melted my butter, right, I'm gonna go ahead and just take, my wings. We'll go ahead, believe me, it's going in here. Go ahead and add that, right? Now I'm gonna take my butter. We just gonna pour this on here. Ah, yeah. Now this right here helps it, help your seasoning and everything, adhere to it, right? So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna take a couple of tablespoons of my Creole Kick. And what we're gonna do now is we just gonna sprinkle this right over here, just like you see. It doesn't make a difference, don't have to be exact, the more the merrier. All right, and then we're gonna come with these ingredients, and I just sprinkle them right over the top, just like this. Because what we're gonna do is, we finna get in here with our hand, and we getting ready to mix it all up, right? Actually, the butter was, look, it's a flavor upgrade, but it's more so a binder. And then you can look at it. 2 to 3 tablespoons, works. But look at this right here, folks. And this is gonna be like the first wave of it, So I can just tell you right now, if you take a look at that right there, you see that? Ooh wee. That right there is fire. Now, I'm gonna set this off to the side. I'm gonna work with one hand just for 1 second so I don't have to take my glove off. I'll go ahead, add this. Now, I should have told you guys this from the beginning. You wanna preheat your oven, right? To 450 degrees, because we're gonna go in for about 30, 35 minutes, and we're gonna flip. But I'm using some pans, some non-stick spray. If you guys got cooking oil or whatever, you can just put it on a napkin and just rub it over the top, because look, we don't want nothing to stick, right? So I'm gonna be working left-handed. And then if you look at my pan, check this out. I got one of them rubber mats, silicone mats under the bottom, look, because I'm the one that's doing the cleanup. So listen, if you want to help yourself out, get yourself one of those. You're talking about nothing sticking, that works, folks. I swear by them. All right, so now we just go ahead and just add them on just like this. Okay, look, as you can see, I made them all fit on here. I like to, when I put them on a pan or, a sheet like this, I like to have a little bit of space, So actually, I'm gonna move this one over here like this. I can have a little bit more room, and I can get this one off of the edge right there. Because we want the heat to go ahead and, circulate and cook them. Now, I can tell you this, we are gonna flip them about halfway through. So I say 30, 35 minutes. All right, so put them in, set your timer for 17 minutes, and we go from there. now that you see these are out, look at this right here. These is nice. You know what I mean? That 450 degrees, that helps. You know what I mean? Gets them a little bit drier on the outside on that skin. You know, kind of like gets it, you know, close to being a little bit on the crispier side that you can, since we, you know, what we're doing is we, you know, putting them in the oven, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in here just like this. Once I get them in here, now you saw I had a little lemon juice. You know what I mean? Now that part is optional. You can add that to it just enough to get it on here to help, you know, with the adhering process, right? That's gonna be a binder again, and it's gonna make it a little bit more on the refreshing side, you know? So let me go ahead and get these in here. All right, now that I got them in here, look, I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of this lemon juice on here like this. Now again, this part completely optional, right? But you just wanna get them like, just get them wet just a little bit, right? Now you guys just seen me, you know, do the little mix right here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and just add this right here like this, right? And then you know what the title of this is, right? These are Creole Kick wings. So we're gonna add a little bit more of this Creole Kick on the top. And guess what, folks? We finna toss. All right, so look, I can't do nothing, but one thing I did do was, look, I set this off to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right now. Listen, I'm a lightweight when it comes to it. You know, it comes with that little bit of heat, right? So listen, we said they Creole Kick. This right here got a little kick to it. So let me just go ahead and, oh my goodness, because I just want to pull this out. Oh, man, ain't nothing like having them. It kind of like just all fell apart, but here we go. There, I'm gonna go ahead and laugh because you saw I had water and the plate had a few more wings on it, right? So look, I just been eating these wings, and then when I stopped, you know what I mean, wiping my mouth and all of that, then my lips got warm, all of that. Look, I still say this is kid friendly, you know what I mean? Hey, it's kid friendly, you know what I mean? I'm just like a super lightweight, and it's a mild little heat, but I did say it's Creole Kick. Look, the kick is in there for a reason, folks. Hey, and look, check it out, all the water gone. Hey, with that being said, hey, try these. I know you guys done had them Old Bay wings, and tell me which one do you guys prefer. Now, I can say this, you can make your wings any type of way. It's just at the end process, you know what I'm saying? Just when you toss them and however you do it like that. Like I said, you can go air fryer, oven, you can grill them, however you want to do them. Let's just get them cooked. Let's put that Creole Kick and let's make, you know, go ahead and eat them. Hey, with that being said, look, I'm having a hard time talking because listen, my whole body is nice and warm right now. Hey, with that being said, listen, if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say, hey, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and I want you guys to tell everybody out there, listen, there's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. And with that being said, I'm out. Peace.